How are you? Fit and fine? Yes. Taking a good care of yourself? Very much needed? Yes. Finally, we are meeting. Right? Not face to face, but virtually at least we are meeting. And whenever we meet, there is a rule. The rule is we used to learn something new, we used to understand something, and we used to have a lot of fun. Right? So how can we stop this chain? We should not break this chain, no? So today also we are here to understand and to learn something very interesting about yours and my favorite subject. Can you see on the board? Yes. Mathematics. Yes. The subject of the day award goes to mathematics, right? So, mathematics is a subject of subjects. So, कहना चाहिए master of subjects. It is a poetry, it's an art, it's a science. Everything is combined in this small word, mathematics. That is why we are surrounded with mathematics. हम numbers से mathematics से fully surrounded हैं. But कभी-कभी थोड़ा सा डर लगता है इससे कि कैसे solve होगा. But don't worry. I'll tell you something very, very inspirational. I like this quote very much. Mathematics may not teach us how to add love or subtract hate. It may not teach us these things, right? It may not teach us how to add love or subtract hate, but most importantly, it gives every reason to hope that, every problem has a solution. Maths give a reason to hope that every problem has a solution. Isn't it great? Yes. It gives us a hope that every problem. कभी मैथ्स में ऐसा हुआ है कोई क्वेश्चन ऐसा हो जिसका कोई सॉल्यूशन होता ही नहीं है? नहीं. It gives us a positive thought, a positivity that every problem can be solved. This is the beauty of maths, that every problem can be solved. Right? So, let's start with our topic of the day. Subject of the day is mathematics. Let's understand what is the topic of the day. So, before we start with the topic, do you want to hear a story? Yes. This is the story of two best friends, Rinky and Pinky. Right? One day, Rinky came to Pinky. Rinky Pinky के पास आई. Rinky ने कहा, Pinky, I want to give some toffees to you. Pinky became very happy. Thank you so much, Rinky. But Rinky said that I am not going to give all the toffees in a single turn. मैं सारी टॉफी एक बार में नहीं देने वाली हूँ. I am going to give in a different way. Right? And you will tell me how many toffees I have given to you. No choice. He has to do this thing. So, what did Rinky did? She gave first two toffees. Now, Pinky has to tell how many toffees were there. Na? So, she has to add two more. Again, she gave two more toffees. Once again, she gave two more. And finally, the last two toffees. Now, Pinky has to tell how many toffees Rinky has given to her. Right? So, now she started adding. And she was thinking in mind, this Rinky na, she just adding up my work. सिर्फ मेरा काम बढ़ा रही है. I just don't like maths and she is just doing this. But what can be done? She started adding. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Right? And she took a long time. She took 5 minutes for doing this thing. Because she don't like maths, so she's like taking a lot of time. She came to Rinky and told her कि रिंकी यू हैव गिवन मी 10 टॉफीज। उसने रिंकी को आके बताया कि रिंकी तुमने मुझे कितनी टॉफीज दी थी? 10। तो पता है रिंकी ने क्या कहा? वाई यू हैव टेकन दिस मच टाइम? और तुम बार बार इसको ऐड क्यों कर रही थी? क्यों, ऐसे ही तो बता सकते हैं। पिंकी सेड नो, देयर इज अ स्मॉलेस्ट मेथड टू डू द सेम थिंग, बिकॉज 2 इज बीइंग, हमेशा हम क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? 2 इज बीइंग एडेड 5 नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स। कितने टाइम्स ऐड किया? 1 2 3 4 5। सो फॉर सॉल्विंग सच प्रॉब्लम्स, इस सिचुएशन का एक स्मॉलेस्ट सिंपलेस्ट सोल्यूशन है दैट वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आवर टॉपिक ऑफ टुडे इज, दैट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन। आज का टॉपिक है हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन। मीन्स जब एक नंबर को बार बार ऐड करते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन। मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज नथिंग बट रिपीटेड एडिशन। हाउ? सी, 1, how many times? Let's count the number of times. 1 2 3 4 5. Done. 2 is repeated how many times? 5 times. So 2 5s are 10. Oh, it took a lesser time, I suppose, in comparison with adding these again and again. It took lesser time. So 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. This is why we used to say that multiplication is nothing but it is repeated addition. Multiplication is what? Repeated addition. So here we are, we have been introduced with the topic that is multiplication, right? Again I am repeating this word. अगर आपको एक ही नंबर को बार बार ऐड करना है तो आप उसको बार बार ऐड नहीं करेंगे. What you will be doing? You will multiply. कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? जो नंबर बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, जैसे यहाँ पे 2 was repeating again and again, so I have written 2 multiplied how many number of times? How many times it is being repeated? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 multiplied by 5. 2 5s are 10. टेबल्स तो याद है ना? Yes. And I know this thing. ये जो रिपीटेड एडिशन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, ये आप लोग बहुत यूज करते हो. कैसे? मैम ने कहा बेटा टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू द टेबल्स, एंड शी कॉल्ड अप अ स्टूडेंट. Student came to her and ma'am said, start reciting the table of 3. The kid said, ma'am, can I write it? क्या मैं इसको लिख के बता दूं आपको? I cannot, I just can write it. आप क्या करते हो? टेबल नहीं भी लर्न होती है ना तो आप रिपीटेड एडिशन का यूज करते हैं. और मैम ने क्या कहा था? 3 का टेबल लिखना है आपको. तो आप क्या करते हो? 3 1s are 3, right? 3 2s are 6. आप क्या करते हो? 3 2s are 6 अगर नहीं तब याद है. अब क्या हुआ? 3 3s पता ही नहीं है. आप क्या करेंगे? 6 + 3 कर देते हैं और 3 3s हो जाता है 6 + 3 9. This is what you use repeated addition as multiplication. You use this in tables. करते हैं ना ऐसा? Yes. So, want to play a game? एक गेम खेलेंगे, ग्रिड गेम. मल्टीप्लिकेशन ग्रिड गेम we will be playing. But for this, टेबल्स लर्न होनी बहुत जरूरी है, right? So we are going to play multiplication grid game. Ready? We'll be playing turn by turn. एक बार मैं बताऊंगी, next time you will be telling. Fine. These are some numbers and these grids has to be filled. ये जो numbers दिए हैं उनके accordingly हम इन grids को fill करेंगे. देखो. Horizontally it is written 3 5 6 and this is 6 1 4. Let's see how this game is being played. कैसे खेलते हैं इस गेम को? Let's understand this. Now first column, as I told you, first column I'll be telling you and then it's your turn, right? This first column I have to fill. तो फर्स्ट कॉलम के जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको सर्च करें. सी हु इज एट द अपर साइड वर्टिकली, हु इज देयर विद दिस. कौन मिला? मैंने इस ग्रिड पे अपनी फिंगर रखी, वर्टिकली मुझे ऊपर जाने पे कौन मिला? 3. एंड हॉरिजॉन्टली हु वाज देयर? 6. फॉर दिस ग्रिड वी हैव 6 एंड 3. तो 3 6 18. It's my turn now. 3 6 18. Understand how to play this game? Now, next grid. This one. Let's put a finger over here. You all have to do this thing. ऊपर गए कौन मिला? 5. साइड में 6. So 5 6 30. एंड इफ यू फॉरगॉट, अगर आप भूल गए हो तो दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन. दिस क्रॉस इज द सिंबल ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन, राइट? अगेन द नेक्स्ट, इट्स माई टर्न, राइट? तो आई हैव पुट माई फिंगर ओवर हियर. अपर साइड आई हैव 6 and this side I have 6. 6 6 36. Wow, this is cool, right? Now, here comes this one. Whatever is the grid you have to fill, you have to just see who is there. 3. Who is there? 1. 3 ones are 3. Yes. Tables तो learn है ना? Now, for this grid, upper side we have 5. And left side I have 1. So 5 ones are 5. Good. Now for this grid, who is there? 6 and who is there? 1. 6 ones are 6. Is it interesting? Just play this game at your home. Just make such type of grid and it will be fun. Now, for this grid, we have 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. Right? Now, we came to this one. 5 and 4. 5 4s are 20. Yes. This is much needed thing that you have to learn the tables, right? This one, this grid. So for the left side we have 4 and for the upper side we have 6. 6 4s are 24. So the grid is filled and it was fun, I suppose, and you can make any grid and play this game. Okay, now I'll be making you play this game in a different way, where अभी हमें क्या पता था? अभी हमें ये नंबर्स पता थे, इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके ग्रिड्स फिल करने थे, राइट? अब रिवर्स होगा. ग्रिड्स फिल होंगे, हमें ये वाले नंबर्स बताने होंगे. फाइन, रेडी? Now, in the different way, this game is here in front of you. अब ये गेम हमें दूसरे तरीके से खेलना है. रूल क्या है? जो भी ग्रिड है उसके अपर साइड और लेफ्ट साइड का जो मल्टीप्लीकेशन है वो क्या होना चाहिए? उस ग्रिड की वैल्यू के बराबर, राइट? दिस इज द रूल नंबर 1. 15 एंड द रूल नंबर 2 इज दिस कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल whatever number is written, अगर यहाँ पे जो नंबर लिखा है वो ये सारे नंबर उस नंबर की टेबल में आने चाहिए. As I said 15, remember 15 is tables याद है? 3 ones are 3. Yes. Carry on. Interestingly, yes. 3 5s are 50, 3 5 जा 50। तो हम यहाँ पे 3 लिखेंगे या 5, ये कौन बताएगा? इनका पड़ोसी, द नेबर ऑफ दिस नंबर। क्या 3, अगर मैं यहाँ पे 3 लिखूंगी तो क्या 3 के टेबल में ये नंबर आता है 24? हाँ, अभी हम 5 तक पहुंचे। 3 5 जा 15। नेक्स्ट, कैरी ऑन कैरी ऑन। यस, करेक्ट, यस। 3 8 जा 24, यानी कि 3 के टेबल में ये नंबर आता है। परफेक्ट। क्या 3 के टेबल में 12 आता है? अभी जब आप 3 का टेबल पढ़ रहे थे, यू वर जस्ट रिकॉलिंग दिस टेबल ऑफ 3। 12 मिला था आपको रास्ते में कहीं? यस, 3 4 जा 12। दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या लिखा जाएगा? 5 लिखा जाएगा? नो। वाई? बिकॉज 5 के टेबल में 24 नहीं आता और 12 भी नहीं आता। सो वी विल बी राइटिंग 3 over here. Half problem is solved, right? Now 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. अब एक plan fill है तो आगे all the numbers will be filled over here. Now see. Now I have to fill this one. This number I have to fill now. So for this I will be going on this one. 24. 3. Just recall again. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, yes. 3 3s are 9, correct. 3 4s are 12, perfect. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18, good. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 24 ही चाहिए ना हमें? So 24. 3 8s are 24. Perfectly, you are playing it perfectly. Good. Now 12. 3 के रास्ते में ढूंढते हैं, क्या हमें 12 मिलता है? Yes. Let's again recall the table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Correct. So, right now, quite easy na? Now, next, these number has to be filled. The rule is same. The multiplication, यहाँ पे जो नंबर होगा वो किसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा? अपने लेफ्ट साइड नंबर का और अपर साइड नंबर का। The upper side we have 5. This side has to be filled. इस साइड पे हमें फिल करना है। So 5 is there. 5 की टेबल में 20 आता है? Yes. चलो देखते हैं कहाँ आता है। Let's go in the search of 20 in the streets of 5. Just recall the table. Yes, and I know you people are very much good in tables, and this is how you are going to solve these dates. Yes, 5 1s are 5. Yes. Carry on. Absolutely. So 5 4s are correct. You spoke correctly. 5 4s are 20. तो who is the partner of this one? 5 का पार्टनर यहाँ पे कौन है? 4. Wow, you are playing it very interestingly. Now next I'll be giving you a question. 5, fine. This one is remaining. We'll be helping this 30. Right? 30. Upper side is 6. Upper side we found 5. And now again recall the table of 5. 5 1s are 5. Yes, good. 5 2s are 10. Let's see. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are the number we require 30. 5 6s are 30. तो 5 की गलियों में हमें 30 भी मिल गए। तो 5 का पार्टनर 30 के लिए कौन हुआ? 6. Who's the partner of 5 for 30? 5 6 are 30. So, isn't it amazing game? Let's practice once more. एक और एग्जाम्पल के साथ इसको प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, राइट? One more example will make the concept much more clear, and the need of, yes, you have to learn the tables, right? Now grids has to be filled. हमें क्या fill करना है? Grids को fill करना है. The rule is just look up, look left, and you have done, if you remember the tables, right? Now this grid has to be filled. When I saw upside, अब जब मैंने upside देखा for this grid, I found 1, and for the left I found 5. Great. 5 ones are 5. Quite easy, right? Now for this one, who is waiting for this? 2, and left side 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Okay. Yes, it means tables learn है थोड़ी थोड़ी. Once again, the next grid, 3 upper side and left side I found 5. So 3 fives are, yes. Start recalling. Needed. Recall it again and again. Okay, yes, correct. It's 15. I told you na, one I will do, one I'll be doing, and second one I'll make you do. Now next is this one, this grid. 6 upper side 1. 6 ones are 6. Now this upper side 2, 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. Correct. Very nice. 6 twos are 12. That's great. For this grid we have 3 upper side, and the left side we have 6. Done. 6 ones are 6. Yes. 6 threes are 18. Good. That's good. Now comes the last one. Are you enjoying this? Yes. Now this one, upper side 1, left side, who's this? 7. 7 ones are 7. Now for this one we have 7 left side, and upper side we have 2. 7 twos are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Good. Keep on practicing, keep on learning the tables. For this one, the last one, 7 we have left side, and upper side we have 3. 7 twos are 14, and 7 threes are 21. Yes. So well done, you have done it. Bravo. That's good. I was knowing this thing कि आपको एक बार समझा दिया जाए. You will be able to do it by yourself. Okay. That was not difficult. I don't think so. Kids, we have understood the multiplication, the introduction about multiplication, what basically multiplication is, and we have played a multiplication grid game, right? But now I want to tell you some important terms related to multiplication. Fine. For example, if I'm writing this, that 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. So you know what? The result of addition is called sum. The result of subtraction is called as difference. Now here, ये वो numbers हैं, the numbers which are being multiplied. The numbers which are being multiplied is 3 and 4. कौन कौन से numbers multiply हो रहे हैं? 3 and 4. Fine. Now, so they are called as, इनको हम कुछ कहते हैं. You know what? They are called as फैक्टर्स. क्या कहते हैं हम इनको? फैक्टर्स. What are they? They are factors. And the answer, the result, the output of the multiplication is known as product. It is known as product. Once again I am repeating this. The numbers to be multiplied. The numbers to be multiplied are called as factors, and the result, the output of the multiplication is called as product. 12 is the product of 3 and 4. 12 is the product of 3 and 4. Okay. While 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Again I am repeating my words. 12. So the numbers to be multiplied are called as factors, and the output, the result is called as product. Always remember this thing. They can ask you the product. आपसे वो product भी पूछ सकते हैं, और पूछ सकते हैं what is the other factor. How? I'll show you. For example, you have a question with you. ये क्वेश्चन है आपके सामने. 4 into 2. They'll ask find the product of 4 and 8. Sorry, 4 and 8. You have to find the product of 4 and 8. 4 8s are. Recall the table of 4. 4 1s are 4. Good. 4 2s are 8. Yes. You can. Yes. So 4 8s are 30. So here they asked find the product. Here you are finding the product, right? And they can ask you the question in a different way. They can say, just tell me that 3 multiplied by what will equal to 27. अभी आपसे पूछा इन दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा. अब यहाँ पूछ रहे हैं, then they are asking that 3 multiplied by what is equal to 27. Means you have to find the one factor is given, you have to find out the second factor. 3 की टेबल में 27 कब आता है? Start recalling the table of 3. Yes, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are correct 18, 3 7s are 21, perfect. 3 8s are 24, and 3 9s are 27, correct. So 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 27 आया? 3 9s are. This is how they are going to ask you the question. 3 9s are 27. And you can ask, you can tell them in any way. आपसे जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, if you understand well, you will be able to solve it, right? अगर आपसे प्रोडक्ट पूछा जाता है, you are able to answer this, and if they are asking you the second factor, then also you will be able to answer. Perfect, done. So this was all about today's class. I hope you all have understood the basic terms, these factors and product, and the things which we have gone through today, whether it's multiplication, introduction, or multiplication grid. I hope all things are very much clear to you all. Okay, so we'll be meeting in the next class. We'll be doing something more, we'll be understanding something more, and till then, bye bye, take care, and always keep something on your face. My drawing is very bad, really very bad. Always keep a smile on your face. Fun smiling. Okay.